Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. Today I would like to do a review on the M-1932 meat can. This meat can here was made by Aluminum Goods Manufacturing Company and it's dated 1942. Let me see if I can get that up there. Maybe get the light shining on it where you guys can see it. Okay, this meat can weighs, it's kind of heavy, 15.5 ounces. It's 8 1/4 inches long. It's almost 7 inches wide, but it's 6 3/4 wide. And the frying pan is 1 5/8 inches deep. Put a straight edge across here, measure down 1 5/8 deep. The frying pan itself is made out of aluminum. If the handle was closed and you measured to the top of this meat can right here, 2 1/4 inches thick. Okay, right here. If the handle open, it's basically 17 inches long. Got a nice handle on it. You sit down and fry something. Now this handle here is made of steel. Notice that this handle is very similar to the ones that is on the World War I meat cans. But however, it is a little different. It has a hole punched in it there. Notice how it's kind of curved in to put pressure on top of the lid. It is also mounted with a piece of cast metal with 2 rivets in it, 2 aluminum rivets. Now, one of the main changes on this meat can was that design of the lid. They separated it, they made it into 2 compartments. Notice that this lid here is made out of like tin, but it has aluminum rivet and aluminum there. They did not start production on these M-1932 mess kits until the beginning of World War II because they had so many of the M-1918s in stock that they just simply issued those out, and then in the beginning of the war, they began to make these. This mess kit here, if you want one that was basically probably used in World War II, it was this one and the M1918 type canteen that was actually used during the war mostly. And this here plate was made out of different metal because just like with the aluminum canteens, aluminum was started to be pretty scarce in 42, so they started making them out of different metals. So you can find these made out of stainless steel, you can find them made out of tin. This is a combination of tin and aluminum. The handle here is steel. This lid here was a better design than the dish of the other type. Let me stick it back in here. But anyway, this is the M1932 type mess kit. Got a big dent in it right there. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review. Please hit subscribe, share, and like with your friends. Thank you.